Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I wash my eye brushes. Mainly my eye brushes because the face brushes are like fluffier, so I like to use like soap and water to clean those, and that's kind of like a little bit more of a process to show you on camera that I haven't quite figured out quite yet, but when I do, I'll show you it. So in order to clean my eye brushes, these are my eye brushes right here. I have just a washcloth that I folded up, and I use the Cinema Secrets Pro Cosmetic Quick Drying Rinse Free Formula 99.99% bacteria free professional grade makeup brush cleaner. Well, that's a very long name. And this is what I use this for. I forgot when I was telling you about my vanity what I use that for. Mostly just putting my bracelet on. Sometimes though, when I'm cleaning my makeup brushes, my eye brushes, I pour this inside of here and then just like dab the brush in it. So as you can see, I just pour like a tiny bit in there. And actually, I'm going to show you with this brush because it's going to show up really well. Okay, so when you put this in, you just put a tiny bit in, and it just goes like, did you see how that like just went, it's really cool. I love it. And then you just swirl. Look at all the pigment coming off. That's it. Clean brush. That's how I clean my eye brushes. It's that simple. Crazy, right? So my little makeup brush holder here has 3 compartments, and all of my brushes can fit inside either 1 or 2 of them. So I pick half to be the dirty brush side and half to be the clean brush side, so that when they're dirty, I know I have to clean them. But I don't like using clean makeup brushes. Is that gross? I know. But when you clean them, it's just, they don't like perform the same. There's just something about a seasoned brush that makes your eyeshadow blend out better. So quick. Yeah. Green. That's all I do. That's it. That easy. But if you don't have Cinema Secrets or a product like Cinema Secrets where it's rinse free, you can just use whatever facial cleanser that you use, and water, which is what I do with my big face brushes. I just use my Target cleanser and some hot water. And to be honest with you, I usually just do it in the shower because I'm already like all soapy, and that's where my cleanser is. So I just take a thing of brushes into the bathroom with me, and then I just clean the floofy, fluffy ones inside the shower and leave them to dry. So how are you guys? We ventured to Target this morning, me and the 3 munchkins. Today's Sunday. I didn't want to go anywhere, but the kids were itching to get out of the house, so I took them to Target. It was fun. They went crazy. Scarlett figured out that she can sit underneath the cart, which is kind of fun. And then Kyson likes to be the cart keeper, which is great with me because then he keeps his hands to himself and he's not like, I'm not chasing him all over the store. This has got purple on it. Right now they're listening to Pandora music and cleaning their toys in the living room. How successful is that going? Don't really know. But nobody's fighting. And it sounds like they are collaborating together on how the best way to do that is. So that's good. I try to give the kids as much like freedom as possible when we're at home in order for them to like figure out their own boundaries and stuff, you know, like I love this. I love this cleaner. It works so well. I wish it worked well for the big brushes. I mean, it does. It works okay for the big brushes, but it wastes so much of the product, or rather it takes so much of the product to clean those brushes that I feel like I'm wasting my money, because this is not a cheap cleaner. I got the big bottle on Amazon for like $64, and it's lasted me like a year, and I'm only halfway through it, which I guess in the long run it's not that expensive. If it's $64, lasts you, half of it lasts you a year. And it's not like the thing expires. But at the same time, it's a pretty penny to cough up all at once when you have to buy brush cleaner. Yeah. I like cleaning the brushes because it's satisfying to watch, but I don't like to use the brushes once they're clean because seasoned brushes work better, in my opinion. If that's not your opinion, it's okay. We can still be friends. No big deal. And I don't actually wash beauty blenders because I know some of you probably asked me how do you wash your beauty blender? Oh, I don't, because I don't use them. Don't like them. I'm lazy. Takes too much time to wash them every time you need them, and foundation just gets gross when you use a sponge, or I should say the sponge just gets gross when you use foundation on it. And that's what they're for, and I don't like it. It's just something about a sponge, dirty sponge to my face. No. Dirty brush, okay. But dirty sponge, no. Super clean. I love these brushes. I got them from BoxyCharm. They're so shiny. Yep. So like, if I have this face brush, for instance, I use it for underneath my eyes. Just like that. For like setting the under eye area. This one I'll go in with the Cinnamon Secrets, and I will use that on this kind of a brush, but not really on any of the other ones. Yeah. It's a little bit wet now. And the great thing about this is if you like did a purple eyeshadow look yesterday and today you want something neutral and you forgot to clean your brushes after that purple eyeshadow look and you don't want the purple to go into the neutral colors, it dries super fast. Like this brush that you watched me do that one, it's already dry. This one's already dry. I've been recording for like 6 minutes and they're already dry. Not so bad. Not so bad. Hey, Blizzard. Do you want to come say hello? Super clean. Super clean. So now, I have a full thing of clean brushes. So simple, easy. It took me all of 6 minutes or so to clean all of my eye brushes, and my powder brush for under my eyes. Let's see if there's any other ones that I would, because I have some of the product left out, so I don't want to waste it. This one wouldn't be bad. My contour brush, it's Luxie 512 small contouring brush. Yeah, but that like took up almost the rest of the product that was on the plate. And then, I mean, it definitely works for those face brushes, but it's a lot to use it on. See? Clean. Yeah, so that's how I clean that's halfway how I clean my brushes. When I can figure out a good filming situation in the bathroom, I will show you how I do my face brushes. So that's that, guys. if you like this video, if you found it useful, or you just think I'm funny and you want to stick around, like this video, give it a nice thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, catch you later. Love you. Bye.